Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the cable of your Dyson HD hairdryer. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know, from the tools required to the step-by-step process of safely and effectively repairing the cable. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and some electrical tape. It's also advisable to have a multimeter on hand to test the cable once the repair is complete. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws that hold the casing of the hairdryer together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the device. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Inside, you will see the wiring connected to the power supply. Inspect the cable for any visible damage, such as fraying or cuts. If you find any issues, it's time to replace the damaged section. To do this, use your wire cutters to carefully snip the damaged part of the cable. Strip the ends of the remaining wires to expose the copper. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Now, take a new section of cable that matches the original specifications. Connect the new cable to the existing wires by twisting them together securely. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, brown is live, blue is neutral, and green-yellow is earth. Once connected, wrap the joints with electrical tape to ensure a safe and insulated connection. Before reassembling the hairdryer, it's wise to test the connection. Use your multimeter to check for continuity in the cable. If everything checks out, you can proceed to reassemble the device. Carefully place the casing back together, ensuring that all internal components are correctly aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the casing tightly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your hairdryer repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. Once the hairdryer is reassembled, plug it in and test it to ensure that the repair was successful. If it works, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson HD hairdryer cable. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, repairing the cable of your Dyson HD hairdryer is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in restoring your hairdryer to full working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.